Hey, welcome back to Ford University. I'm Juliet Ciobodo, Master NLP Practitioner and Master Hypnotherapist. I work with clients one-on-one and I design brain trainings to help remove subconscious blocks to your success, whether it's financial, career, or with love. So today I want to talk about feeling the feelings of your manifestation before it even arrives. I just finished up a 3-day group hypnosis for subconscious manifestation mastery, and one of my clients asked how could she easily feel the feelings of having her manifestation. She struggled a lot with that. So most people oftentimes struggle with visualization, but if you've never felt this manifestation or felt this way, you could have some difficulty tapping into that feeling. So with subconscious manifestation, it focuses on quantum leaps. So this means that the desire of your manifestation is implanted in your mind and in your heart, because on another timeline within the quantum field, there is another version of you that actually has this manifestation already. So that means that it can be yours, and that's why you have this desire. So since there's another version of you in another timeline that already has it, all you have to do is do a quantum visualization to tap into that version of you that has the manifestation. So an exercise to help get you into that frame of mind is to name that version of you. So let's say the version of me that has my manifestation is Juliet 2.0. Juliet 2.0 has my manifestation, and you write the name of your that version of you. Now, where is this person living or doing or experiencing because of this manifestation? If your manifestation is to move to LA, Juliet 3.0 is going to be at a coffee shop in LA, right? So she's at a coffee shop in LA. How does she feel? She feels relaxed and excited to be living in LA. What is she doing? She's drinking a iced coffee. What is she wearing? How does she feel? Like, just write down the story of Juliet 3.0, and then this story is ending with the scene of her having your manifestation. It's done. Say, pick a time, maybe 2 weeks after you move to LA, a month after you move to LA. It's a month after you've gotten your manifestation. What is Juliet 3.0 doing now? How does she feel? What is she wearing? Paint this picture, and then you imagine it like it's on a TV screen now. So after you write this screenplay, this scene, you put it up on the television, and you see Juliet 3.0, and you see this clear picture of her. Now, I want you to step into the picture so that you're looking through your own eyes, and now it's you in the coffee shop in LA holding the iced coffee. And then you are tapping into these feelings of contentment, of excitement, of inner peace that Juliet moved to LA and it's done. It's completed. You already had your manifestation. So now you're tapping into those feelings and you're looking through your own eyes and feeling it. And now you can step out. And now you can make any decisions based on those feelings. So how did Juliet find her apartment in LA? Did she look on Craigslist? Did she ask friends? She's there and she's happy. How did she do it? And so now that you're tapped into that feeling based on these, steps, you're able to make decisions based on that future version of you. And you're able to take the aligned action to take you to your manifestation. And so that is how you can easily tap into the feeling of your manifestation without having it yet, because there's already a version of you that does have it. And all you have to do is tap into that person, that version of you. And you can do this with any of your manifestation. Go through these steps, and throughout the day, the oncoming days, take a few minutes to tap in to that future version of you, and do that until your manifestation comes. So hopefully that helps you tap into the feeling. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you enjoyed this video, please just like it, share it, subscribe, set the bell notification, because I will be posting regularly. This channel is going to be dedicated to subconscious manifestation, NLP, and using hypnosis to remove any mental blocks in your life so you can always hit any goal that you set. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.